What up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so I'm gonna be making a review on a tube, alright, and this tube is really affordable, and I don't know if it's popular because I've known it for so long. It's a tube that I have known, my cousin have used, and I have used, and all of that, blah blah blah. And it has two types, and the two types are what I brought today, so I can show you guys all of this. Okay, so if you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also share the video and all. And all right, so let's jump into this review. So here are the tube. All right, it is called Fashion Fair tube. I don't know if you've heard or known or used this tube before. For me, I've used it and it was really good. Like, it whitens and wash off my skin like really crazy. As when I used to use it, I used to be white, like really white. Don't mind me. Alright, so the cream is a smaller one and the gel is the bigger one, right? And this one, the both of them says fast action. Fast action. Alright, so here it is, Fashion Fair cream, fast action. It says Fashion Fair gel plus fast action. Can you see that? I'm just making sure so you guys can see. So this is the gel, and let me open it so you guys can see at the close range. So when it comes out, this is how it used to look like. And also, when the cream comes out, this is what it used to look like. Okay, so this is the two gel. One is bigger than one. The gel is bigger than the cream, but this one actually works faster than this, which obviously you should know that if it's a cream it works slower, and if it is a gel it kind of works faster. Okay, this gel some inexpensive gel, like this is 200. As at then, when I used to join my cousin to use this tube, it was sold at 18 naira or 100 naira, but now it's 200. This is 250. all right, so this gel is one fast action gel. If you don't have a very good skin, like, don't use it because it's gonna give you dark knuckles. Although when I was using it, I don't get dark knuckles. There's only one cream that's giving me dark knuckles, which I ran away from like really mad, which was body white lotion. I've made a review on that lotion on this channel, when I started doing my younger CC stuff, so this this cream would whiten up. It's, in fact, let me use the word, it will bleach your skin. Okay, I'm not advising you to use it. I'm just making a review to show you which one is which. But of course, even with that, there are some people who have actually been sending me messages like they want to whiten up, they want to lighten up, they want to bleach their skin and all of that. It is actually their decision. Okay, so you're not here to judge anybody, are you? Because I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to make a review on this stuff and tell you how good it is or how bad it is, depending on my own point of view and how I've used the cream, or how I've not used it, or if I've recommended it for someone, or if it did work or if it did not work, and all of that stuff. Okay, not all the cream that I make reviews on and all of that I've used. Some I've used them for like 1 week, some I've used them for like 3 days, some I've used them for like stuff. When you're growing up, you tend to like want to try everything that comes your way. Everything that your friend use, you want to use. Everything that you see this one use, you want to use. Everything that they recommend for you, you just want to try. So that was just what happened, you know. Then I had to like try so many cream and so many soap and so many stuff and all of that, but I never regretted it because they gave me so much knowledge on, you know, stuff like this. And maybe that's why, you know, my passion, you know, entered into beauty, where, you know, I love, you know, making sure that the skin glow beautiful and all of that. That is my goal, that is my passion. Like I love that like really crazy. All right, so having said all that, let me drop that and come back to this affordable yet bleaching gel and gel plus. Okay, so the thing is that this works really faster. Trust me, if you use this gel, you're just going to go white. Even if you're black, you're going to go white. And trust me, it might give you discoloration and dark spots depending on your skin type and your skin texture and how your skin is sensitive or non-sensitive to cream and all of that. Okay, it might be, it's good for some, but it's not good for some too. And for this, which I've never used this one before, like this gel. I've never used this particular one before, but this one I've been using it. This one is just the color of this gel plus is just a transparent white color, and this is a normal white, like white. Okay, the real white, Snow White. Yeah, Snow White is this one. This one is transparent, just like I've said earlier. But I've used this one before, but it didn't give me dark knuckles and all of that. It was just making me too white. I was just going oyibolistic, or you know, all of that stuff. So I used it for a couple of times and all of that, you know. Throughout the time I stayed with my auntie, this is actually what I was using, mixing it in my lotion. Any lotion I buy, I just buy it and mix it up and then use it and all of that. So it was really good because it was good for me as a 10. It was giving me my result. My aim was that I want to get white, I want to get, you know what that means. So it was actually giving me that. But yeah guys, so that's just basically why I said, okay, since I've used this fashion fair gel, why not just make a review on it and tell people, you know, the experience you've got with it and all of that. So those were my experience and all of that. It is really good, and also it might give you dark knuckles and all of, not all skin types are this. Like you guys know that we have several skin types. Okay, so your skin type might fall into those thick kind of skin that does not react or accept cream or lotion quickly. All right, so it's just patience, you know, just just patient and avoid using gel if you have such skin type. Okay, because you're not going to like the way this thing is just going to react on you. Okay, as much as I would want to review it, I would also want to tell you the truth. Okay, for the fact that I'm reviewing, I'm not saying that you should have to go and buy gel and rub on your skin and bleach your skin and all of that. Okay, I am just giving you this knowledge of mine that I've, you know, gotten. So that's it. So I got my own knowledge by using it and practicalizing it on my skin, but yours might not be like that. You might get your own knowledge right from you watching me right now. All right, so you might not necessarily use it. All right, so skin, what is it called, fashion fair tube. All right, it's something I've used and it's a whitening tube. Like it bleaches the skin like crazy. All right, so I know that some of you guys would be interested in this. If you're interested in it, okay, I think you can get it in a shop, in a supermarket and all of that. It's not like a very hidden kind of tube. It's very popular. I don't know if it's very popular, but I kind of feel it's popular because all the shops that I've gone to get creams and all of that, seen them and I've been, you know, so that's why I said it's not like an hidden kind of tube, so you can get it anywhere. All right, so you can get it close to you or wherever. If you want to use it, go ahead. If you don't want to use it, please don't use it. All right, because it whitens the skin and it might give you pigmentation too, and also dark knuckles and dark spots and all of that stuff, you know what I mean. But it is a choice if you want to use it, baby. I used it. It didn't give me all of those stuff. The only thing it gave me was that it was whitening my skin too much, which I didn't like. All right, so that will wrap up this review today. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share this video for your family and friends to see. I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye guys, and peace.